Dear students, we will start the DPP. Here means daily practice problems. So in this chapter wise sheets sent to in your WhatsApp groups. And today we are in this class focus it is the topics reproduction in organisms and sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So in the objective point of view, see the first one, which one of the following is not a method of vegetative propagation? See here the four options are present here: A budding, B layering, C sowing, D is tissue culture. What asks the question here? Not a method of vegetative propagation. Which one is not a method of vegetative propagation? Actually, what is meant by here vegetative propagation? So vegetative propagation means it is only involving the single parent, and also same as usual also asexual reproduction. So that's why the vegetative reproduction is similar to vegetative reproduction is similar to asexual reproduction. So here option A, budding. So in the option A, budding, here one of the method of asexual reproduction. So the budding example, it is the yeast. So this is the yeast cell. The yeast cell, it can be producing the new bud. So this new bud again it can be grows into a formation of new yeast cell. Okay. Again, whenever this yeast cell mature, it can be separated, grow into a new individual. So that's why it is budding is a vegetative method of reproduction or asexual reproduction. B, layering. Layering means it is a artificial method of vegetative reproduction. So vegetative method of reproduction naturally present and artificially present. Naturally you can see the particularly underground stem modifications and subaerial stem modifications. What are the vegetative propagules are formed? Those are producing the new plant as a based on natural vegetative propagation. So this layering, it is an artificial method of vegetative propagation. In artificial method of vegetative propagation, you can see the methods cuttings and layerings and grafting methods. So in the layering, there are two types are present. First one, it is a mound layering, and second one, air layering. Already we discussed in the theory. See, it is sowing. Sowing means it is related to, sowing is related to sexual reproduction. So that's why is not a method of vegetative propagation. So this answer is the right. Option D also you can see tissue culture. So this tissue culture, any part of the plant to producing the new plant. That means here artificially the production of new plants. So that's why it is any part. Any part means here we call it as a vegetative structure that can be producing the new plant. So that's why it is also belongs to vegetative propagation method. So the given four option, C is sowing, it is related to sexual reproduction. So that's why not a method of vegetative propagation. So the answer is C.